Yo, YouTube. What up? I am here with our GoldWing. I am going to do, I had a couple packages come in. I am going to do a little bit of an upgrade. I got myself LED headlights, which I am really hoping are gonna go. My hand is gonna fit through there. Oh, there they are. Yeah, I'm really hoping that I can reach in there and do that. And this thing looks like complete garbage with these. Those look horrible. Barney-like, kind of a, I don't know, basic old look that is not, I feel like it doesn't represent all that this bike is. I love this GoldWing. It's so comfortable, it's stupid. But if you just look at the whole thing, that is such an eyesore. So what we're gonna do is, me, myself, and I have gotten this little upgrade. This little upgrade, which I think is gonna look phenomenal. They still light up orange, but it's night and day. Got some chrome in there. Anyway, enough teasing. I am gonna throw that stuff in right here. Hopefully, as you know, from watching this channel, I don't know what I'm doing. I am not a mechanic, nor even barely a hobbyist. I just do what I can and try to learn, and I just did a little work on that Escalade over there. But, you know, I tried to wrench. There's my wrench set over there, if you could see it through all that crap. I'm going to throw that on, and I'll show you what that looks like, hopefully, if I am able to do this. I'll show you what it looks like right now during the day, if I'm able to finish soon enough. Gotta get to the pool. And I'll show you a night shot when it gets dark later tonight. So, here we go. Okay, so I was able to put the mirror turn signals in. Those look amazing. The old ones looked like complete garbage, and the new ones are just awesome. Let's take a look at how they light up. Put the blinkers on. Check this out. That is much better. LEDs in there. Now, how come they're not on? Weren't they on before? Okay, battery died because I never ride it. Check that out. How much better are these lights than the previous ones? Much nicer. I would have preferred if they lit up white, but listen, for 40 bucks, you can't go wrong. And there you have it. Tools you're gonna need if you're interested in this. That's gonna be a T15. Anyway, T15 star. Ratcheting, if you prefer. Thick-headed Phillips for underneath. There's plenty of videos on how to do this. And this thing will actually help you out. See, I forgot to actually even put the rubber boot back on. Gonna do that now, but basically it's installed. You see the light. Looks fantastic. Now I gotta tackle the headlights. This might be either very hard or very easy. We shall see. Well, there you have these turn signals. I tried everything to put the LEDs in. This is what I got. They were supposed to be H7, fitting exactly into what this needs, and they don't light up at all. So I'm going to return those and continue with the journey. But those lights are just night and day right there. The mirrors, night and day. Completely facelifted the motorcycle. Alright, so I'm tired, and I'll show you these lights at night. Looks like I forgot to fix a little something here. I'm gonna do that now and go for a ride. Forgot to mention something real quick. Just got a couple more things in to show you what's coming next, or one of the next times. Is this little chrome piece with the buttons with the LEDs on them. Pretty cool. That is gonna go right here. And I got the chrome caps coming, so I guess I'm gonna wait for those a couple days. That's gonna sit right there. 3 switches. Once I run out of these 3, gonna put the matching one over there. These are like $60 each. They're not like the cheapest thing to buy, but super cool and heavy. So heavy duty. Feels like metal. I don't want to touch it. It's chrome. I'm sure it'll get ruined by my fingerprints anyway, but there you have it. I'm gonna have to wire that up. And the reason I ordered that is because I ordered this. Hard to do this with one hand, but these guys, I thought they came with a remote. I could be wrong. I bought them to wire to the switch. These, I thought, on a beautiful pearl white bike, I was thinking to go with underneath and maybe in here lighting in black light, like UV, so you can kind of hardly see it, but it's got a very nice tint to it at night. I think it's gonna look super cool. I'm gonna try it. These things were like $30. I'll leave the descriptions for you, but just thought I'd mention what's coming next. Those gotta be cool. I don't know if they're too long to put around there. Maybe I got 2 long ones. Maybe I'm just gonna have to use them all underneath somehow. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Stay tuned. So there you have it. The day kind of got away from me. I went to the pool. By the time I came back, it's already dark, but anyway, we needed to see the how the lights work, and I'm about to show you now. The headlight thing did not work out, but those did. It's interesting that the headlights actually look pretty blue in the video. In reality, they're the yellowish halogens. The LEDs did not work out, so this is it. But those are fantastic. Let me throw on the blinker for you. There's a blinker. The middle blinks, and then goes right back to that. There you have it. Fairly easy to do job, and there you go. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. See you on the next one. Peace.